Hi, welcome back. This is Shauna. I have an unboxing to do this month, Ipsy and TopBox. So I'll dive into Ipsy there first. Ipsy is monthly subscription, comes once a month, available in Canada and the US. I have now paused mine till January just because I want to put a little bit of money away because it does cost around $20 with the exchange rate to have it delivered here. I paused this one till January and then I canceled my BoxyCharm, which I have not received yet. Hopefully they don't like hate me or nothing, but anyway, I am getting the Boxy Deluxe, so keep an eye out for that. I do love both the subscriptions, but I said I'll save myself like, what was it, 40, like 60 bucks a month, so I figured it was worth it for the next few months. So here is the bag, super cute with the eyelashes, and it's like a goldy color. I guess like a rose gold in a way. Yeah, or you know, maybe just a other gold. I'm not sure. It's a gold, but it's like kind of a sheen to it, almost like a champagne-y gold. Let's dig in. I'll follow the card. Who is going to stop me? Ipsy, the question isn't who is going to let me. It's who is going to stop me. Nice, and they got this cashback thing, which is not available in Canada but in US, so check it out if you're interested. So let's dig in. First, I see the Hoola bronzer for Benefit. Love this. I currently use this. I'm using my Benefit Cheek Parade palette. I have pan in a few, so I'm using that up. So this is an excellent deluxe size. I actually had one of these in my stash, so I just gave one to my mother, and because I have this also in my top box this month. Go figure. But either way, it's great. Next is a Luxie, and this is a Wonder Woman brush, which I'm totally pumped for. Love Wonder Woman. This is the 140 Detail Taper blending brush. It got a nice, say, tip on it. Really good. This would be good to blend out the crease. It's even thick enough that you could almost do concealer with. I wouldn't do concealer under eyes because it's not big enough, but around the face if you wanted to. Very lovely brush. Love my Luxie. Love Wonder Woman. Third thing I got is the Creme Shop Double Cleanse 2-in-1 Facial Foam Daily Cleanser plus Makeup Remover, and it's brightening, made in Korea. Wicked. I'm currently out of my Sonic soap from Clinique, so I have been using up a few things in my stash, so great to get this, and I love that it's foaming because it'll foam up on my Sonic brush. Two more things. Next, from Tresor, I got a mini lip glaze. And this is the color. Not bad. I have wore this color in the past. Not my favorite. I think I might see if my mom likes this because she does like to wear brighter colors. And if not, I will, save it or trade it or see what's going on with it. Next, the Thank Me Later face primer. And this is mattifying from Elizabeth Mott. I love her eye primer, so I'm hoping I'm going to like this. It's only a small tubey one, so I'll definitely try that out. I'll definitely get a few uses of that. Elizabeth Mott is a great Korean brand. This bag, I just noticed inside, its rules were meant to be broken. So cute. Yeah, the bag is really cute. It's lime, so it's one of the nicer Ipsy ones I've received in a while. So that's my Ipsy. Definitely thumbs up this month, please. Next, TopBox. So Ipsy I got today, TopBox I got yesterday, so perfect timing. So I picked the TopBox Prime one this month, and I got the Best of Benefit. So so Laughter is the Best Cosmetic. Nice. So it's Benefit favorites in this. So let's dig in and see what is in there. I know Hoola's in there just because I've seen some of them online. So Best of Benefit. Hello Gorgeous. So they're The Real Lengthening Mascara, Gimme Brow, Professional, Hoola, and What's Up. And I just threw that. Let me grab that a second. So those are the 5 items that are inside, all deluxe size. Amazing. I'm really pleased. TopBox is a Canadian subscription. They do sub to the US as well. Link is down below for that. I took the Ipsy link off and my Boxy because I'm not with them the next few months, but I will definitely be getting them again, and I do recommend them. Nicely packaged. So again, Hoola bronzer, same as the last one. Good. Yeah, deluxe size. Very pleased with that. Great for travel or even for a base for your eyes. Next is the Professional. So this is the smaller size one. Still a good size. I always get probably at least a couple weeks to a month out of that. I like that. Next is their Real Mascara. It's their Beyond, it's their Lengthening Mascara. I'm not going to open it because once you open it, of course, you crack the seal and it start to dry out. So I'll keep that. I know my sister-in-law loves this mascara, so she'll probably get this with their Christmas stuff. And I got another one there for her as well. And two more. So I got the Gimme Brow. This don't work well for me because I'm very scarce in brow products, and this is number 3, which would be too dark. So I'll see if someone wants to trade with me for something else. But yeah, it just basically makes a mess on my face because I don't have enough. I have good brow hair, and then basically the hairs just fade away and it's super light. So I really need a pencil when I'm doing mine, but still it's a great product. I've used it on lots of clients in the past. And this is the What's Up Soft Focus Highlighter for Face. Love this. This is probably the first highlighter I ever used years ago. Got me into the whole highlighting scene. It's a gorgeous champagne color, and look at the amount that is in this. Like, that will last you like forever till it probably expires, which is, see how long this stuff is good for. Usually it says, I'd say it's good for at least 24 or 48 months, definitely. Something like that. You're basically warming up with your fingers anyway. It's not touching your face. So that is my haul this month for my monthlies. 2 big thumbs up. Loved both of them. So next month will just be the TopBox. I will just unboxing that, and I will still do a video just to keep the flow of everything going. So you'd see the links below if you're interested in TopBox. And as I said, just taking a little break from Ipsy for a couple of months till January. And who knows, I might decide to change my mind on that. I'll see how it goes. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye. Oh, also forgot. Don't forget to check out my Instagram. I have a contest on the go now. I'm trying to get myself up to 2,000 followers. I'm in the 1700s there now, so I'm on my way. If I get to 2,000 first, and or it's October 15th, I will draw. Check out my Instagram at Shauna J. Butler. The post was done, I'd say, probably 2 Mondays ago, so have an eye out for that. I will put a link below for that. And I think I might even do a contest video just to see if I can get some more followers and subscribers. Thanks. Bye.